Alright guys, day 3, and today we've come in here and we transferred the fuel, so you can see right here. We did this last night with the transfer pump. Got the boat pretty well leveled out. So that's the fuel that we've burned for the trip. And then we came back here to these boards right here this morning, turned the fuel back onto the engines, and then we're going to draw out of both tanks at the same time, simultaneously, the starboard and the port. We've got the returns and the feeds open. So that we know, so we're going to try and see if that keeps the tank stabilized, so they're both right there where they are. And if we see it's not, then we'll just start studying a valve and moving fuel from one to the other. And then Todd's already kind of checked the oil in these engines this morning, so we're going to add oil to, I think, to this port engine here. And then we're going to go back and we're going to try an anchorage tonight, huh, Todd?
Yep.
See what happens. Hey, this is Captain Ron, but anything's going to happen, it's going to happen out there. It's not going to happen here at the dock. Getting ready to take off today. We got a wind pushing us into the dock, so I'll probably use a spring line. Get the back end away. And then the problem is there's another boat in back of us. I'll show you guys. So we got to kind of miss that. The Hannah B there is kind of in our way. So we just got to be careful with that. It's good practice for the owner. Kind of see different techniques here today of getting on and off the dock, especially when the wind's pushing you off. And our bow thruster's not working right now, so he's got a. That's one of the things that he bought it with a non-working bow thruster and was reimbursed for that. But he's still got to make that repair.
Main Street Bridge, this is Piper. We're clear, sir. Thank you.
No problem. You have a good day.
See the dolphins right there?
Yeah, right in
cool.
front of us.
I just stacked up there. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all heading south for the winter. The fleet keeps coming out. See another 4 or 5 boats. We've probably passed, I don't know, 20 boats this morning already, all of them heading south towards Florida. Looking at this boat from the side and profile, it looks like a Katie Krogan, but we'll see. And it looks like maybe an Ocean Alexander and maybe a main ship behind that. Let's see if I picked them right. Yep, got the Katie Krogan right. So I called this next one an Ocean Alexander, and then the one behind that is a main ship. See if I'm even close. Getting a little bit worried about this one. It's not an Ocean Alexander. I don't know what it is. You guys in the comments will have to tell me. And this one is not a main. It might be. If it is, it's an older one. It's not. It looks more like a down easter now. Anyway, cool little boat. We're just cruising. We're doing some drills with Todd. He's learning to control the boat. So we'll go down, and about every hour we'll do a maneuver. I'll show you one. There's Jen's pink house. She loves it every time I go by there. It's a little shack like this. Little something maybe even something like this. Just a little something. Oh, it's beautiful out here today. Beautiful day. A lot of training today. I would work with Todd on making these turns, and the whole object was to keep it level and straight, no forward momentum, no sideways momentum, and just keep the boat and do a 360-degree turn. We did those quite often today just for him to get practice. I have a motto of I don't want to get too close to anything if I don't have to, you know what I'm saying? Wow, look at this one, almost perfect. I think the boss is going to nail this one. Look at that, right at the door. Nice. Fighting some wind, fighting some current. Nice. Nice job, boss. Really nice. Really, really nice. Yeah, he's going to slow down. Isn't he?
Keep bigger weight now. Bigger weight.
Nah, yeah, he's gonna run. These guys don't care, man. They just blow through here.
You need to get pretty dramatic. Usually it's just like a light bulb or something. This one was going
up and down my side.
It looked like a heartbeat.
Yeah, remind me next time I'll hit that sign. Really watching our fuel is what we're doing. We're monitoring the fuel. So Todd just went into the engine room and he checked because we're drawing fuel out off the rear of the tank. And we're just really trying to level the boat out, learn the fuel management on the boat. And I think we got it figured out though, boss. I really do think that manifold's pretty easy. You just got to kind of look at it like Bill said and understand what you're looking at. But I think right now I've got everything drawing and going back to the aft tank, and then we'll lower get some weight off the back of the boat. But I mean, today we're not even going to burn. We should be burning about 50 gallons of fuel. This is one of those Kitty Krogan manatees. A lot of people like those. They're like big apartments on a small area. Big boys right there.
Sailboat. Yes, sir. I see him too there. Thanks very much. Bridge Lines, this is Sportfish Vessel, Pipe Dreamer coming around the bend. Standing by for your next opening.
Bridge Lines, this is a northbound trawler coming around the corner, looking for your 4:30 opening as well.
Captain, northbound. It's green, go ahead. Yeah, we're in the southbound sailboat behind the powerboats waiting for the 4:30 opening. We copied and we will be holding for your passage over. Roger that, thank you.
The anchor Todd's about, I mean, a dozen one, but that's the marina we stayed at. Now we're over here in the mooring field. We made it. There's downtown right there. We've got our lines on.
Turn it off.
Yep, let's shut the boat off. Stay on the water. It's hot out here. Now we got to get this freaking dinghy over to the water, you know, because the captain says, hey, we got to go pay the marina. The good news is we have till 8 o'clock. And then I'm sure she's going to want to eat.
What a day.
Yeah, yeah. It's not all beers and parties, is it? What do you mean to stanchion?
Roof posts.
There he is right there. Big dolphin. It's just a great day of training with Todd and Pam out here. Now we drop in the dinghy and heading over to shore to get some dinner. You'll see a little video here of the horse going by while we're at our restaurant that we're eating. Anyway, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Share it with your friends, and thank you so much for watching. Can't do the channel without you guys. Peace out. Remember, live life with no regret. I do.